Hey guys, welcome to Delve Stack, and this is how to know if you're blocked on Facebook Messenger. So guys, I will show you a sample. So first is open up the Messenger. As you can see, my friend over here sent me a message, and as you can see, I can still send a message. And when this person block me, guys, mostly it will look something like this one over here. So when I try to chat them, as you can see, it is now only on sent. Now, another thing is you can check their profile by tapping on their profile icon and select view profile. And from here, when it said that the page has not found, it means that your friend blocked you. So from here, as you can see, if I could try that again, as you can see, when I'm trying to view the profile, it is not showing up because my friend blocked me. So from here, this is how you know if your friend has blocked you is you cannot call them, or if you call them, as you can see, it will not answer automatically. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.